5 years ago, I graduated from Federal University of Technology, Mina, as a chemical engineer. Before that, I was also a content writer, copywriter, and ghostwriter on Upwork. Last year, I decided to transition into data analytics, even with shallow experience, because I didn't want to learn coding, and I wanted to build a career that I really love. Coming from a background of engineering, and in secondary school I really love mathematics and further math, so I think I had a bit of calculation ideas, so I was already into the calculation line. So yeah, I think I had quite a bit of experience, just little, you know but for you it might not be the same. Probably you are trying to switch from social studies to data analytics, or French to data analytics. What's your fate? Is it a field that you should go into? What can you do, to be able to transition smoothly? So that's what I've been teaching you in this video. I'm going to be giving you 3 things that you should do to be able to switch career even without any experience. So the first thing, you're not too late. Like, you're not too late. I know you always hear that, oh, probably the field is saturated, a lot of people are doing data analytics, so how can I fit in? But I'm here to tell you that you are not too late. You can still get started today, and in the next 6 months to 1 year, you are an advanced data analyst. So understand that you are not too late. All right, and then understand that you can do it. You can do it. We have a lot of data analysts, all right, but there's no data analyst like you, and that's the truth. Number 2, research. Research. Go on Google, go on YouTube, and browse. What is data analytics? Data analytics, what do they do? What do I need to get started? What are the skills I need to learn? What are the soft skills I need? What are the analytical skills I need? Research. YouTube is your friend, Google is your friend. So research. When you are armed with knowledge, you know the next step to take, you know how to go forward. It makes your work easier. And then finally, build your roadmap. I can't emphasize this enough. Build your roadmap. It's going to save you a lot of stress, a lot of going around the cycle, a lot of not knowing how to do it or what to do. I made a video earlier on how to build your roadmap, but let me share briefly on it. So in building your roadmap, I will need you to define your journey and also define your process, right? So in defining your journey, do you want to go for a boot camp? Do you want to self-learn? Or do you want to go for a degree? And then you have to understand the pros and cons of each journey you want to take. Personally, I'm self-training myself. I'm getting like the resources I need, and then learning by myself. But for you, you might want to go for a degree. Let's say you have the money, you want to go for a degree, you want to go for a boot camp. That's okay. But define the journey. What do you want to start with? So if I want to self-train, so what next do I need to do? That's where you come to defining your process. So what tools do I need to learn? What are the steps I need to take? I want to learn Excel. I want to learn SQL. I want to learn Power BI. I want to learn a programming language. I want to learn Python. So those are the things I want to learn. So whatever it is I'm doing, it's revolving round this process I've built for myself. So it makes my journey very, very easy. Okay? So when you are able to get all of these things right, you can switch successfully and smoothly without any issue. Nobody will even know that you're coming from a non-tech background. Nobody will know you're coming from a non-tech background. Okay, so when you do this, so don't be afraid to start. Don't be afraid to go for it. You can also do it even if you don't have the experience. I'm an example, even though I have like a bit of experience, but I'm that example of, see, if you put your mind to it, you can do it. So nobody should tell you that, oh, because you're a non-techie person, you can actually become a data analyst. You can actually become a data analyst. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any question, please let me know. And if you are also somebody that has transitioned to data analyst, what were you doing before, and how did you transition into data analytics?